How to cancel a Hulu subscription on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can cancel your Hulu subscription if you decide that you no longer want to use them. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. It's pretty easy to cancel your Hulu subscription if you signed up on your mobile or PC browser, or if you did so via Android. It's a bit more involved if you signed up via third-party service, or if you use your iOS device. You'll have the option to pause your subscription for a brief period of time. So in order to cancel it, just launch the Hulu application, tap on the profile icon in the bottom navigation bar, and then tap on the option called account. Once you do that, it may ask you to re-enter your password. Go ahead and do that for the verification purposes. Scroll down until you see the cancel your subscription button right over here, as you could clearly see, and then you have to just tap on the cancel button. And then on the next specific page, you have the option to pause it, but we're going to ignore that and then just choose the option called continue to cancel again. After we've done that, it's going to ask a few questions to us as to why we want to cancel our Hulu subscriptions. Just answer the brief questionnaire and then tap on the continue to cancel, and once you've done that, you'll have successfully canceled your Hulu subscription. That's all it takes to cancel your Hulu subscription. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.